Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your image into Pixlr and duplicating the background so you can always revert. Once done, switch to Pixlr E for more precise tools. You need the color replace option or a hue/saturation layer. Make sure to zoom to the area you'll change and pick a medium-sized soft brush for sampling. You're not guessing, sample the exact color you want to replace using the eyedropper, because accurate sampling gives predictable replacement results. Now you'll replace. Select the Color Replace tool and sample the color to change with the eyedropper. Then pick the replacement color and set mode to color or hue so texture stays intact. Make small strokes over the target area and increase tolerance slightly if edges are missed. Decrease tolerance to protect nearby tones. Once done, use a layer mask to refine edges. Paint black on mask to hide spill, white to reveal. This workflow keeps original shadows and highlights. Finish by dialing opacity and blend mode to integrate the new color naturally. You want subtlety rather than a flat sticker look. Once satisfied, merge a copy if needed, but keep the duplicate to revert. If color looks off, add a curves or selective color adjustment clipped to the replacement layer to correct contrast and hue. If you see spill on neighboring areas, make sure to lower tolerance or clean edges with the layer mask. This single troubleshooting step resolves most common color replace mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.